Today we'll be looking at floor plan A3b, apartment 230, 714 square feet. This home will come with a spacious bathroom, a large soaking tub, linen closet, and Mark 24's standard stackable washer dryer. Here at AMLI Mark24, we provide all of our residents with stainless steel Energy Star appliances. Water sensing fixtures that can save you up to 35%. You will have laminate vinyl wood flooring, spacious living room with a sliding door that will lead you to your terrace. Your terrace will be facing our southern courtyard, providing your apartment home with lots of natural lighting. You will have a large carpeted bedroom that can fit a queen-size bed, plus an additional den. This area is great for a work desk, bookshelves, or dressers. An enormous walk-in closet that is easy to clean and organize. For more details, please visit us at amli.com and apply for this apartment today.